Hello. Today, I want to tell you about my first job interview. It was an exciting day. It was also one of the most nervous days of my life. Before that interview, I had never talked to a company about a job. I had never answered interview questions. I did not know what to expect. Everything was new to me. A few weeks before the interview, I saw a job advertisement online. The company was looking for a part-time office assistant. The job sounded interesting. The office was not far from my house. I thought, maybe I should apply. At first, I was not confident. I did not have much work experience. I worried that the company would choose someone better. For 2 days, I kept thinking about it. Finally, I told myself, if I don't try, I will never know. So I prepared my resume. I checked it many times. I corrected a few mistakes. Then I sent my application. After that, I waited. Every day, I checked my email. One afternoon, I received a message. The company invited me to an interview. I was excited, but I was also scared. I had 1 week to prepare. Every evening, I practiced answering common interview questions. I stood in front of a mirror. I smiled. I introduced myself. I answered questions like, tell me about yourself. Why do you want this job? What are your strengths? Sometimes I forgot my answers. Sometimes I spoke too quickly. But every day I became a little better. The night before the interview, I prepared everything. I chose a clean white shirt. I prepared black pants. I polished my shoes. I also put my resume into a folder. I did not want to forget anything. That night, I tried to sleep early, but I could not fall asleep easily. I kept thinking about the interview. What if I say something wrong? What if I cannot answer a question? What if I become too nervous? Eventually, I fell asleep. The next morning, I woke up before my alarm. I took a shower. I had breakfast. I checked my folder one more time. Then I left home. I arrived 30 minutes early. I did not want to be late. The company building looked modern and beautiful. When I entered the office, the receptionist smiled. She asked for my name. Then she showed me where to wait. The waiting room was quiet. There were several other people waiting too. Some were reading documents. Some were looking at their phones. Everyone looked serious. I took a deep breath. I tried to stay calm. A few minutes later, the receptionist called my name. My heart started beating faster. I stood up. I smiled. Then I walked into the interview room. Inside, there were 2 interviewers. Both of them smiled warmly. Immediately, I felt a little more relaxed. One of them said, "Good morning. Please have a seat." I thanked them and sat down. The interview began. The first question was simple. "Can you introduce yourself?" I smiled and answered. My voice shook a little at first, but after a few sentences, I became more comfortable. They asked about my education. They asked about my hobbies. They asked why I wanted the job. I answered honestly. Sometimes I needed a few seconds to think, but they waited patiently. One interviewer asked, "What is your biggest strength?" I answered, "I always try my best to learn new things." Then she smiled and asked, "What is one thing you want to improve?" I thought carefully. Then I said, "I want to improve my communication skills." They nodded. The interview continued for about 20 minutes. At the end, they asked, "Do you have any questions for us?" I remembered my preparation. I asked about the training program. I also asked what a normal workday looked like. They answered kindly. Then the interview was over. I thanked them for their time. They smiled and said, "We will contact you next week." When I walked out of the building, I felt relieved. I did not know if I would get the job, but I was proud of myself. I had faced my fear. I had completed my first interview. 1 week later, I received another email. I opened it quickly. The company thanked me for attending the interview. Then I read the next sentence. Unfortunately, another candidate had been selected. For a few moments, I felt disappointed. I really wanted the job. But after thinking about it, I realized something important. Although I did not get the job, I gained something valuable. I gained experience. The next interview would be easier. I would know what to expect. I would feel less nervous. Several months later, I applied for another job. This time, I felt much more confident. The interview went better, and I got the job. If I had not gone to my first interview, I might never have been ready for the second one. Looking back now, I am grateful for that first experience. It taught me that failure is not the end. Sometimes failure is simply practice for future success. Now, whenever I try something new, I remember my first interview. I remind myself that courage is more important than perfection. Nobody starts as an expert. Everyone begins somewhere. Before I finish my story, I want to ask you something. Have you ever had a job interview? Were you nervous? What did you learn from the experience? No matter what happened, every interview is a chance to grow. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.